Part 3, Best Part-Time Income Sources for Students. Money in equals choices. Let's boost your inflow. Top 5 part-time income ideas for students. Freelancing, graphic design, writing, coding. Sites, Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer. Skill-based, flexible, high growth. Tutoring, offline or online. Teach English on Cambly, Chegg, or locally. If you scored high in math or science, monetize it. Campus jobs or paid internships. Assistantships, admin work, or research roles. Build your resume and your wallet. Delivery/driving jobs, Uber Eats, DoorDash. Fast cash. Work on your own time. Digital content creation. TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube, blogging. Pick a niche. Stay consistent. Monetize via brand deals and ads. Lightbulb bonus tip, stack skills. If you're editing videos and creating content, offer freelance editing. If you're coding for fun, start building apps. Build once, earn forever. Part 4, Student Loans. Okay, real talk. Student loans are both a tool and a trap. Used right, they open doors. Used wrong? They chain you down for years. Collision understand this before taking a loan. Only borrow what you need. Don't take extra just for lifestyle upgrades. Compare interest rates and terms. Federal or subsidized loans usually have better rates. Read every line. Know your repayment plan. Are you choosing income-driven repayment? Is deferment an option? Pay while you study, if possible. Even $25 per month towards interest helps reduce your future burden. Pushpin rule, debt should never steal your freedom. Borrow smart. Have a payoff plan before you even sign. Part 5, Investing Young equals Financial Superpower. You ever hear of compound interest? It's basically free money, if you give it time. Start investing at 20, and you can be a millionaire by 50, even with small monthly amounts. Rockets start with this. Emergency fund, save 3 to 6 months of expenses. Open a Roth IRA, US, or mutual fund, India, Pakistan. Use platforms like. If you're a student or just stepping into adult life, money can feel like a constant mystery. You earn a little, spend a lot, and somehow your bank account is always on the verge of extinction. Sound familiar? But what if I told you, this is actually the best time in your life to take control of your finances, build habits that stick, and even start investing before you graduate? Yeah. This is not a lecture. This is your money awakening. Let's dive in. Part 1, Why Student Finance Matters, 0:45 to 2 o'clock. Most people wait until their late 20s or 30s to figure out money. Big mistake. By then, the debt is piled high, bad habits are hardwired, and the freedom to make big moves? Gone. But you've got time, energy, and something most people don't have, a clean slate. Whether you're 17 or 23, this is your golden window. Learn it now. Live free later. Use platforms like Robinhood, Grow, SoFi, or Zerodha. Invest in index funds, S&P 500, Nifty 50. Let's break it down. If you invest $100 per month starting at 20, with an average return of 8%, by age 60 equals $349,100. But if you wait until 30 to start, only $149,000. That 10-year delay cost you $200,000. Ouch. Brain tip. Don't try to time the market. Automate your investments. Think long-term, always. Megaphone Part 6, Practical Tips to Build Financial Confidence. Let's make this ultra-practical.